The Air Jordan collection. Check out some of MJ shoes that was released by Nike. This red colorway originally released in April 1985 during Michael Jordan's rookie season with the Chicago Bulls, soon becoming the focal point of Nike's iconic band marketing campaign. The Air Jordan 2 made its first debut in 1986, which was the white/red colorway. Designer of this model is Bruce Kilgore and Peter Moore. All original Air Jordan 2s were made in Italy. The Air Jordan 3 was originally released in 1988 following Michael Jordan's famous win of the NBA Slam Dunk contest from the free throw line. It is the first Air Jordan by legendary designer Tinker Hatfield and the first to drop the Wings logo. The year was 1989, and Tinker Hatfield was back at his tricks storming up an idea for the Air Jordan 4. The Air Jordan 4 was the first in the line that had an overmolded mesh. Overall personality of the Air Jordan 4 was saying get back to work. The Air Jordan 5 dropped in 4 colorways during its initial run. It was inspired by a World War II Mustang fighter jet and featured a reflective 3M tongue, mesh netting on the tongue and side panels as well as a unique set of lace locks. The Jordan 6 originally released in 1991 and Jordan debuted the black/infrared colorway during the 1991 NBA All-Star Game in Charlotte, where MJ led all scorers with 26 points. From that point on, Jordan and the Bulls were off to the races. The Air Jordan 7 was also worn by Michael Jordan in the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. Nike had made a special Olympic colorway, and instead of the number 23 there was 9 on the back. In 1993 the original Air Jordan 8 released the black/bright Concord aqua tone. The design was crazy. The AJ8 also had a polycarbonate torsion plate, and to top it all off, the colorways blew people away. The Air Jordan 9 white/black true red was released in November of 1993. It features a leather upper surrounded by a Durabuck material, which made it very sturdy. The only signature sneaker not laced up by Michael Jordan during his run with the Chicago. The Air Jordan 10 was originally released from 1994-95. The first colorway, known as steel gray, was the only original pair released featuring the extra leather toe cap. These Air Jordan 10 were the exact kicks that MJ wore in his return to the NBA. The original Air Jordan 11 Concord's white and black patent leather colorway of Tinker Hatfield was worn by Michael Jordan back in 1995 in the semifinals. Sadly, each game Jordan wore the original Air Jordan 11 Concord's he was fined $5,000. The Air Jordan 12 original 1996 feature a white and black makeup, along with gold accents, as seen on the lacing eyelets. They are dubbed the taxis, as the arch area and outsole feature a black and yellow portion, reminiscent of NYC taxi cabs. Originally released in 1997, the Air Jordan 13 white-black varsity red is one of the last models worn on court by Michael Jordan during his final season with the Chicago Bulls, said to be one of the most comfortable shoes in the Jordan line. Originally released from 1998 to 1999, the Jordan 14 white-black varsity red was the first signature shoe to release after Michael Jordan retired from the NBA for the second time. The last shot was the biggest reason of fame for Air Jordan 14. Michael Jordan and the ultra-fast X-15 fighter jet. The Air Jordan 15 Flint Gray is inscribed with June 23, 2015 down the heel in recognition of MJ's jersey number/championships 1/model number of Air Jordan. You cannot have an Air Jordan model without a black and red colorway. Jordan Brand released the Air Jordan 16 original black/varsity red. Although by 2001, Michael Jordan's Chicago Bulls days were over, but everyone can appreciate the Air Jordan 16. The Air Jordan 17 White Red was the first launch in the Air Jordan family after Michael Jordan was back to the NBA court, this time for the Washington Wizards. The smooth lines and flow of a Jazz solo and the long Air Jordan history of innovation. With a few Air Jordans designed after MJ's own personal collection of sports cars, such as his Porsche and Ferrari, the Air Jordan 18 release on 2003 was inspired by another of MJ's sports cars, this time the popular Lamborghini Murcielago. Inspiration for the Air Jordan 19 release on 2004 came from the deadliest snake in the world, the Black Mamba. When the Black Mamba feels threatened, It raises its body up in the air, shows its fangs, and makes a loud hissing sound.